Oh. Way down there! We're over here off the Kahana, I would say Quahana, highway, or whatever you want to call it, the 879. We were up at WYCOFF Run, WYCOFF Road, WYCOFF Falls Run. It's one of those. But we're here to show you some beautiful woodlands, a beautiful Ryan on her beautiful birthday weekend adventure, but this as well. Let's go check it out. Okay, here we are, guys. Are you gonna skip some rocks, Ryan, huh? Some maybe rocks? Oh, actually, yeah.
If we can get across there?
I think we can.
But from here, there's not any really rocks on this side.
And these are, you said stock trout waters, huh?
It says it right there.
Yeah, nice. And I need to get over here as well. So we are below Sinnemahoning, Pennsylvania, one of our favoriteest places ever. And we are at the WYCOFF Falls. Right here. Not the biggest falls in Pennsylvania, and also there is a drought, so it probably is a little bit more rushy-flushy, but still a beautiful area. There is a detour going on with the Quahana Highway, or Kahana Highway right now, so cars are being directed up to Sinnemahoning, up to Route 120, and that's why there's a little bit extra traffic here right now, so be mindful of that if you come up to the area. I don't know how long they're going to have the road shut down, but it is what it is. It's beautiful nonetheless. We weren't going to go to Sinnemahoning, Pennsylvania. We were actually going to shoot straight over to Meadick, Pennsylvania. But that's all right. Give me a reason to go to Sinnemahoning. I dare you to give me a reason to go to Sinnemahoning, right? So anyway, let's go. Oh, Ryan's doing it already. She's doing it already. Hey, birthday girl. Oh, crystal clear water though, beautiful. Bet there's a lot of fossils in these rocks too, so I might actually. That was a good one. Might go and look for fossils. I'm gonna try not to fall in the water while I climb down this area. And I'll give you another view of the falls from here. And there's Ryan, and there's the falls. Say hi! Beautiful. Nice cover picture. Alrighty. Rhododendron. There's a nice one. Bloop. It's been the WYCOFF Falls on WYCOFF Road up between Sinnemahoning and Carthouse on the Kahana, the Quahana Highway. On this girl's birthday adventure. In the PA Wild, baby. Anyway, this has been Paul.
And Ryan.
The quiet Ryan. She's so quiet lately. The quiet Ryan from PA Outdoors Couple. Cheers.
Yeah. I get outdoors.
Boom.
That's my line.
That's your line.